टुडे विद अस वी हैव मिस्टर शौर्य, जिन्होंने हिस्ट्री बनाई है आईपी मैट इंदौर में 280 आउट ऑफ 360 स्कोर करा। और उसके बाद थोड़ी कंफ्यूजन थी कि इंटरव्यू कैसा जाएगा, क्या टॉप 10 में आएंगे, टॉप 20 में आएंगे। देन इंटरव्यू के अंदर भी एक्सेप्शनली वेल परफॉर्म किया एंड स्कोर करा आईपी मैट रैंक 1। सो कंग्रेचुलेशन शौर्य
Thank you so much, sir.
फॉर स्कोरिंग आईपी मैट इंदौर रैंक 1 इन 2026। सो कैसा आपका फर्स्ट रिएक्शन था जब चेक करा आपने कि यस आईपी मैट इंदौर में रैंक 1 आ रही है? तो व्हाट वाज योर रिएक्शन एंड योर पेरेंट्स रिएक्शन?
सर सबसे पहले तो ये नोटिफाई करा था कि सिलेक्शन हो गया, तो एट दैट पॉइंट आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी कि चलो सिलेक्शन हो गया है, यहाँ पे जाने को मिलेगा। बट देन केम द रियल शॉक एंड सो लेटर दैट आई एम रैंक 1 व्हेन इट वाज अपडेटेड ऑन द पोर्टल and I was literally in shock. I could not believe it. I checked it at least twice or thrice that this is me or is this true? So it was a bit of a roller coaster for me.
सो नाउ वी आर मीटिंग हियर फॉर द इंटरव्यू ऑल दिस सेकंड टाइम। फर्स्ट टाइम जब हम मिले थे तो आपने स्कोर किया था 280 आउट ऑफ 360 और नाउ यू आर दी रैंक 1। तो थोड़ा इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस के बारे में बताओगे कि कैसा आईपी मैट इंदौर में इंटरव्यू हो गया आपका और उसका क्या फीडबैक था?
माई इंटरव्यू वेंट गुड। मेरे से मेनली उन्होंने इकोनॉमिक्स के क्वेश्चंस पूछे थे एंड अदर देन आंसर प्रोफाइल क्वेश्चंस। आई थिंक आई डिड वेल इनफ टू द पॉइंट कि maybe I would have done better, but honestly it was a fine. It was like a mock interview only. So
Okay. So tell us about your mock interview journey with IMS. How IMS helped you in clearing your interview process of IP Met Indore?
see, IMS first conducted a session telling us all about the personal interview rounds of colleges, and then there were so many mock interviews. Each college had a different, let's say, set of questions. So all the mock interviews were according to that, and they were really helpful. See, I am an introverted person by nature, so the mock interviews really helped me open up and deliver my answers more confidently.
So what next now? You are now selected for the 5 years integrated course in IIM Indore. What is your next journey?
In next, I think my target is to do well in college and perhaps do more extracurricular activities so that I can have a good career.
Yes, that will be helpful for the final placement round in IIM Indore. So how actually IMS helped you? And अब क्या आने वाले फ्यूचर एस्पिरेंट्स है जो 2027 एंड 8 के दो टारगेट कर रहे हैं कि हमें IIM इंदौर मिल जाए, उनके लिए क्या आप एक गाइडेंस देना चाहोगे कि कब से वो प्रिपरेशन शुरू करें? हाउ वो एक्चुअली कैन लाइक make their journey or prepare their journey for their IP Met Indore?
Okay, so I'll start with my experience. I joined IMS in class 11 only. So I
So this is to be noted कि you prepared for 2 years for IP Met Indore.
and I think that was the single greatest decision I made during my entire preparation journey, starting early, because that allowed me to cover the syllabus multiple times, and the amount of concept clarity and understanding and depth that you get is unmatched. It cannot be achieved in 1 year, perhaps quite as easy.
Okay, final thing, last but not the least, any feedback you want to give to IMS? How can we actually improve so that we can deliver better to our students? Any feedback about the portal, or you are happy about the services of IMS?
I am mostly satisfied with the service of IMS. I think one small area for improvement can be the mocks. I find them a bit challenging, so they could limit. But other than that,
So the level of
the critique, because ultimately my whole experience was fantastic.
so the level of mock were higher as compared to IP Met Indore.
That's actually a merit on its own, because it prepares you for even if you get a tougher exam.
So again, congratulations Shaurya for scoring IP Met rank 1, and we wish all the best for your future.
And